The topic I'm going to talk is about fuel and combustion, and it's from the heading Heat Power Engineering. First, introduction. The various types of fuels like liquid, solid, and gaseous fuels are available for firing in boilers, furnaces, and other combustion equipments. The selection of right type of fuel it depends on various factors such as availability, storage, handling, pollution, and landed cost of fuel. The knowledge of the fuel properties helps in selecting the right fuel for the right purpose and efficient use of the fuel. A fuel. It is a combustible substance containing carbon as the main constituent, which on proper burning gives large amount of heat that can be used economically for domestic and industrial purposes. During the process of combustion of fuel, the atoms of carbon, hydrogen, etc. combine with oxygen with simultaneous liberation of heat. The calorific value of a fuel it depends mainly on those two elements C plus O2 CO2 and 2H2 plus O2 kilocalories plus 2H2O. So carbon compounds are used for many centuries as a source of heat and energy. Classification of fuels. It is divided into or classified into two types. One is primary fuels and second is natural secondary fuels. The primary fuels occurs in natures such as coal, petroleum and natural gas. The secondary fuels it is derived from primary fuels such as example coke, gasoline and coal gas. First, primary fuels which occurs in solid, liquid and gaseous state. In solid state, the primary fuel or natural fuels are wood, peat, lignite, coal and cow dung. As a liquid, it occurs as crude oil which can be taken from seabed. And for gaseous substance, it is natural gas. Secondary or derived fuel from solids such as coke, charcoal, petrol, coal and briquette. These are the secondary products which are arrived from the primary products. And as for liquid such as coal tar, kerosene, diesel, petrol and fuel oil. And for gaseous substances, it is coal gas, water gas, oil gas, biogas, blast furnace gas and coke over gas. These are some of the primary fuel and the secondary fuel substances. Calorific value. The calorific value of a fuel it is the total quantity of heat liberated when unit mass or volume of a fuel is burnt completely. Unit of heat. Calorie is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree Celsius. Kilocalorie it is equal to 1000 calories. It may be defined as the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water through 1 degree centigrade. 1 kilocalories is equal to 1000 calories in BTU or British thermal unit. It is defined as the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water through the degree Fahrenheit. That is 60 to 61 degree Fahrenheit. This is a English system unit. 1 BTU it is equal to 252 cals, which is 0.252 kilocals. 1 kilocal is 3.968 BTU, which is British thermal unit. Solid fuels. Coal. Coal is a highly carbonaceous matter that has been formed as a result of alteration of vegetable matter, that is example plants, under certain favorable conditions. It is chiefly composed of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen besides non-combustible inorganic matter. There are successive stages in the transformation of vegetable matter into coal or wood, peat, lignite, bituminous coal, steam coal and anthracite. Anthracite is probably the purest form of coal and contains 95% carbon. Classification of coal. Peat. It is the first stage in the formation of coal. Its calorific value is about 4000 to 5400 kilocalories per kilogram. It is an uneconomical fuel due to its high proportion of 80 to 90% moisture and low calorific value. It is a brown fibrous mass. Lignite. Lignite is an intermediate stage in the process of coal formation. Its calorific value is about 6500 to 7100 kilocalories per kilogram. Due to the presence of high volatile content, it burns with long smoky flame. Bituminous coal. It is further subclassified on the basis of its carbon content into three types as bituminous coal and semi-bituminous coal. Then it is anthracite. Anthracite is the superior grade of coal. Its volatile moisture and ash contents are very less. Its calorific value is about 8650 kilocalories per kilogram. Thank you.